Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Linktree step by step. If you have ever wanted to put multiple links in your Instagram bio, TikTok profile, or anywhere else, Linktree is a perfect free tool. I will guide you through creating your account, customizing your pages, adding links, and even checking your analytics. So let's get started. Simply, you have to just come to this account that is basically Linktree. Now, once you just go and click on here, on the top right side corner, you will see this option of sign up for free. Before going there, let's go and check out the pricing. Obviously, you can use it for the free, but yeah, it has some limitations, right? And this is a starter plan, which goes around $3, and this is a premium that goes around, $7, $8 or $10 per month. Now you can try this pro one that is free for 7 days, and let's go and click on sign up for free. Now here you can use your personal email, your work email, Apple ID, Google ID, whatever you want. So once you have made your account, this is how it's going to look like. So as you can see here, your link tree is live. So I have already made, so this is the exact case how it's looking, but it was still in the draft section. Now, very first thing it will ask you, let's say I will just go and click on create new link tree so I can show you each and everything. Now here, choose a username. So I will just write here filex express, right? And click on continue. Now it will give you three options, whether you are creator, business, or personal. Let's say I'm creator and click on here. Now the ultimate digital toolkit, I don't want to use this. I will skip this part and let's go with the free one. So select free and click on continue with the free. Now this is a link. So anywhere, if you just go and copy this up and paste it on any of the URL here, this is how it's going to look like. Obviously we will add our links here. So let's go and click on continue. Now here it will ask you to select a template. So depending on your brand value, depending on your personal color or how you are, you can choose your template. So there are a lot of templates, not a lot of, I think it was still in loading phase, but yeah, this I think there are very few templates. But if you go with the paid plan, then you can get more templates here. I like this very simple one, or let's say this one. So I will just go with click on start with this template here. Now which platform are you on? So I will just go and select YouTube and Instagram. You can select more than one, even your own website. So let's go and click on continue, add your links. So first of all, I will just go and copy my YouTube link here and paste it here, right? So this is really simple thing to do, or you can just simply add here your username. So this is how it's going to look like. Same way, you can just add your username here, pretty much easy, your Instagram username and your URL. So if you have a URL, you can add it, and even you can add more links here. Now let's go and click on continue. Now very few seconds it will start finding my content through the link which I've added, and as you can see here, automatically took the logo of my YouTube channel. Unfortunately, what we say, the username of my Instagram was not correct. So this is how it's going to look like. Now I'm going to change everything here. So profile title, I will just write my name here and support us on. So basically it took us from directly, this link got copied. So this is like buy me a coffee, and if you want to support our channel, please use that. Now here I can rewrite my bio through the AI, and let's go and click on continue. It's updating our link tree, and this is how it's going to look like. Simply click on continue boarding here. Now if I just go and check out, so this is how it's going to look like. Now if somebody clicks on here, they will be redirected to my YouTube channel, right? Pretty much easy and sorted here. Now there are more features. So let's say I want to add more links. So simply I can just go and click on add more link here, and here it will give me an option with social media, and you want to try something else. For example, if you're affiliate seller or a digital product seller, so you can select these apps. Now if I just go and click on view all apps, now here there are so many apps here. If you want to get some information, collect some emails for your email letter, newsletter, you can use this form. So there's a lot of things here, right? Now let's go one by one here. So as you can see here in the ad collection page, this is Instagram, this is personal website, and this is a YouTube which is showing up here. I can add more links and automatically it will be added here. Right, now you can see here this is some of this option called shop. So what is this basically shop? So you can publish your shop. So for example, you can start adding your product. Let's say you're an influencer, you're running some kind of a store, or selling your own product, or let's say even though if you don't have a store, you doesn't sell your own product, but maybe you are sponsoring some of this product, or let's say you're doing affiliate selling, so you can just add the link. You can create a collection or a product here, and here you can see there's already some of the links available here. So you can simply just go and, let's say I want to sell this product, so I will just go and click on add product here, and if any of the viewer of my followers and subscribers comes and click on this, I will get some percentage of sale here directly in the earn section. So here you can see
Creators who
unlock
go underneath
new
the brand
income
deals.
today. So here, if you're selling digital products, so this is basically this one, and this is the courses. So selling is not available in my country, but if you're living in USA or Europe or first world country, then obviously you will find this option. So you can sell your courses and digital product directly. I've already given an example. Now this is audience. So you can even collect your audience directly from here. So this is create a contract form, and I can create a contract form here, and there's a create a download if I want to download some digital product for my consumer, or some discount code I'm giving to my followers. I can just do directly from here. So how many links I have, how many subscribers and subscribers, total followers, everything will show up here. Now this is the insight. So as we know, if you are a creator, then obviously you knew about this. So you can see here I got 3 clicks. Basically I clicked myself here, right, and it added me here. Now if I just go and click on once again, so maybe it will start showing me up here again. So let me refresh this page here. So it should show me here, right, and it will show you the CTR. What's the CTR? So how many people came and how many people click from them. So it will show you the CTR and everything. So this is really useful feature. Now this is a social planner, so you can just plan. So you can your all-in-one tool to schedule, automate, and grow in social media. So this is really the important thing. So let's say you want to schedule some of the videos on Instagram, so you don't need to post it manually. Maybe at that period of time you are busy or doing some different kind of work, and you want someone that there should be some person who should upload a video and make it public just right now. And so you can use this Linktree. This is social planner. You can schedule post, get sync up, Instagram auto replies, and there's a lot more features. So Instagram auto replies, it's the feature already, it is in its name here. You can connect to Instagram, and automatically AI will help you to reply to some of these messages. Now this is a link short now. This is really cool feature because it can help me to short my link, generate QR code, and create link for each of your channel, monitor click, start in real time. So Linktree basically started with you can add as many links as you want, but it expanded into different features. And as you can see here, there are a lot of features here. You can use them. So this was it. And if you just use it, you will get more idea how you can use it. And that's how you use Linktree. You have learned how to create your account, add links, customize your design, and track analytics. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.